student, class 9. So class 9 solution is going on. Today my topic is expressing the concentration of the solution. Previous video I told you about the properties of solution. Before that I have defined you what is solution, what is solute, what is solvent. Everything has been given to you. Even the classification of solution, that has also been done. Now today we will do what? We will do the how to express the concentration of the solution, and based on that we will do some numericals. Concentration can be calculated in two ways. One is in the form of mass percentage and second one is in the form of volume percentage. That means that how much solute is present in the solution by mass, that you have to find out. What is the formula? Mass of the solute by mass of solution into 100. That will give you the mass percentage of the solute. Here in the denominator you have to take the mass of solution, not solvent. This you have to remember. Second one is volume percentage. Volume of the solute by volume of solution into 100. That means it will give you the volume percentage. So in this way we can define the concentration of the solution. Now we are going to do some numericals based on this topic. Now I am going to discuss one numerical based on the formula that I told you, that is to find out the concentration of the solution. I have written here one question. During an experiment, the students were asked to prepare a 10% by mass solution of sugar in water. Again I am repeating, during an experiment, the students were asked to prepare a 10% by mass solution of sugar in water. Ramesh dissolved 10 gram of sugar in 100 gram of water, while Sarika prepared it by dissolving 100 gram of sugar in water to make 100 gram of solution. Who prepared the correct solution? This is the question. In one case, that is Ramesh dissolving 10 gram of sugar in 100 gram of water. That means amount of solute is 100 gram, amount of solvent is 100, amount of solute is 10 gram, amount of solvent is 100 gram. On the other hand, Sarika, she is taking 10 gram of sugar, that means solute is 10 gram, but the solution is 100 gram. That means the amount of solute is only 100 gram. Now according to the equation, I have already written the equation. Mass percent equal to mass of solute by mass of solution. Actually here mass of solution into 100. So mass of solution means what? Mass of solute plus mass of solvent, that is only mass of solution. So in case of Ramesh, what will be my answer? 10 by 10 plus 100 into 100. So what I am going to get? 10 by 110 into 100. So if I cut these two zeros, 100 by 11, so that will come 9.09 percentage. If you calculate, you will get it 9.09%. In case of Sarika, mass percent equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. So 10 gram solute and solution is 100 gram according to the question, and it is also 100. So if I cut, I am going to get 10%. So this is the correct solution prepared. So whose answer is correct? Sarika's answer is correct, but this one is wrong. Ramesh has prepared the solution percentage as 9.09 and this one is 10%. So I hope you have understood how to solve the numericals. Very easy formula. By only using these formulas you are going to get numerical in your exam also. In your book also many examples are there. practice those examples. Definitely in the exam the numbers will be changed or little bit twist will be there, but if your concept is clear, definitely you can solve the problem. So thank you very much for today.